Hello everyone, welcome back with Zui Khan. So today we are going to continue some sentences that we can use in our daily routine. So here you go. What are you doing?
Drumming fingers.
Okay, as you can heard that she said she's drumming fingers. Drumming fingers का मतलब ये है कि अपनी उंगलियों के साथ ड्रम बीट करना, ठीक है? Giggle, giggle. As you can hear, she's giggling. Flabbergasted mean जब आप हैरान हो जाते हो, जब आपको कोई बोलने के लिए वो कहता है ना, तो आप you just become flabbergasted. So I'm flabbergasted to speak. High pitch, hey, hello. This I'm having a high pitch, yeah, right now. Exaggerate mean जब आप amplify करते हो, when you're trying to amplify your statement, और जब बढ़ा चढ़ा के कोई बात करते हो तो you can say that don't exaggerate. Then come to coax mean जब आपको कोई अपनी बातों में फिसला देता है या उकसा देता है, so you can say oh my god you coaxed me or she coaxed me, yeah. So उसके बाद आ जाए next. ingrate mean जब नमक हराम, ठीक है, जब कोई नाशुक्र जिसको कह सकते हैं. Oh my god, how could you be ingrate? I never think that. Then come to twitch, yeah, my eyes is twitching. Twitch mean phadakna, yeah. Even our forefather, they believe that when our right eyes twitch, yeah, and right eyes twitches, something is gonna bad happen, but I don't believe it, yeah. Then rosary mean tasbih, yeah. So recite some rosary beads, yeah, because when you are in difficulties, so everyone has some difficulties. Definitely there's no such person that who have no difficulties, yeah. So you can see that you can just protect yourself from difficulties by reciting some rosary beads, yeah. So then come to thunderstorm. My god, right now it is thundering, yeah, outside, so you can say that तूफान, या जो बिजली भी चमक रही होती है और साथ साथ गुड़ को पहिया भी बोल रहे होते हैं, ठीक है, thunderstorm. नेक्स्ट इज क्रैंकी मीन जब आप क्या कह सकते हैं, क्रैंकी आप उस सेंस में कह सकते हो कि बहुत ज़्यादा बंदा जब बदमिजाज उसका जो बैड टेम्पर हो, तो यू कैन से sometime I become cranky as well, yeah. Then come to flea market mean Landa Bazaar, yeah. And let's go to the flea market to buy something. Blunt mean straightforward. She's a blunt, yeah. She blunts whatever is in her heart. Grumpy mean bad temper as well. She's grumpy. And backbiter mean चुगलखोर, ठीक है. और backbiting चुगली करना, और backbiter चुगलखोर, I think like this, yeah. So you can say that there are some backbiter who speaks very spitefully, yeah, who speaks spitefully. Come to bask mean जब आप धूप लगाते हो, ठीक है, धूप सुखाना, something like that. Definitely you might understand what I'm trying to say, yeah. तो आप कह सकते हो कि I love to bask in sun. मुझे सूरज बाहर बैठना और धूप लगाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है. Then catfish mean, or you can say swindler, a person who's a deceiver, जो आपके deceive करता है. So you can say that he's a catfish. वो एक deceiver है, धोखेबाज है, मकार है, ठीक है. So now we have done, yeah. So let me tell you one thing, that if you think that my video is going to be very helpful for you or gonna help you a lot, then you just can tell me in a comment box that do you want me to share more such kind of sentences, yeah. So just let me know in a comment box, yeah. Don't hesitate, just ask. And also don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe it as well. And also don't forget to press the bell icon, yeah, for new upcoming videos as well, yeah. Thank you, bye bye.